Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. It is Napoleon Macro speaking. We'll make this short and sweet. We're simply going to reiterate what we've already explored on the last video. The Dogecoin prediction that I hope I'm wrong about. I just want to step in and give you guys, just say the same thing, guys. So we'll go over it just short and sweet. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome to new subscribers. Let's dive into what I'm seeing and exactly what to look for moving forward in the Dogecoin chart here. I'm showing. So today's January the 5th, 2022, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 15 cents, slightly negative 2.3% for the day. Okay. All right, hope you guys are doing awesome. Happy New Year if I haven't spoke to you this year. Same lines in the chart. Yes, started at 16 cents all the way down to 17 cents. Take it easy. I'm just a messenger, and I'm just a guy pointing out the practical level of the previous level of resistance after 16 cents if the market continues lower. It's 7 cents, guys, okay? So if Dogecoin is if Dogecoin is unable to get back above 16 cents, I don't necessarily have a time frame in terms of how long it should take, but it has closed below that level, and it kind of acted as kind of a relative level of interest, right? I guess you can say it's support. But what I do know is if it fails to get back above 16 cents, let's give it like a week or two, then yeah, Dogecoin will likely continue the trajectory to the downside. I've already did some verification kind of behind the scenes here, and Dogecoin is technically in a bear market right now. Just going by the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average, okay? And the one last thing that I want to let everyone know, so if you're, let's just kind of summarize everything in a short video. If you're like invested in Dogecoin and just want some sort of guidance in terms of understanding whether or not the markets will move lower, here's what I would look at. I'd kind of put a horizontal line at 16 cents. Okay. I guess you don't necessarily have to put it at 7 cents, but I mean, this is how I have my chart if you just want to mimic what I have here. And the one simple moving average that I would put on the chart is actually the 50 exponential moving average. Okay, I'm using tradingview.com. If you notice here, if you look closely, you'll notice that back in like December the 14th, 2021, you see how it had that large move to the upside? This is kind of that verification that the market is actually under sell pressure. It's just kind of my unique way of looking at things. You also have to read that book, Remnants of a Stock Operator, to kind of know exactly what this gesture is in the market, this very large green candle. I know I refer to that book a lot, guys, but they don't pay me to say it. I don't get like any kickback or anything, right? They don't pay me to say that. That book really changed the way that I look at the markets forever. I will never look at the markets the same, okay? And I truly recommend they have the audio on YouTube, you can listen to it. Remnants of a Stock Operator, if I'm saying it right, Reminiscences or something like that. All right, 50 exponential moving average, daily candles. If Dogecoin cannot close a daily candle back above 16 cents, that would be the first accomplishment that Dogecoin will need to do in order to get itself out of this entanglement, so to speak. Second accomplishment will need to be the 50 exponential right now. It fluctuates with time. Right now, it's at about 18 cents. So those are kind of the two things that I would look for in order to see if Dogecoin is actually going to turn things around. The third thing would be to make a higher high. But let's just keep it super simple with the two obligations here from the buyers. 16 cents. Close daily candle, and then of course the moving average. So let's just leave it with 16 cents. All right, Dogecoin daily candle only. We need to close above 16 cents. Otherwise, expect this market to move lower, guys, and seek financial support from the aggressive buyers. There's no real aggressive buying going on right now, because in the way that you can kind of have an understanding of that is because Dogecoin is continuing to make lower highs and lower highs and lower lows and lower lows. Okay, the aggressive buyers will make higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. So therefore, that's the reason why I say that the aggressive buyers have not shown up just yet. Are they stepping in right now? Maybe. I don't think so. That's just my speculative observation. I mean, let's let the markets decide that. But I wait for buy signals. We don't have them just yet. They're getting very close. If you're not subscribed, kind of subscribe with us, and we'll send that out to you as soon as we get those signals. I think we were one of the only channels who actually documented us entering and exiting the market. We didn't show the account, but we let everyone know exactly where we're entering and exactly where we exited. And it was a phenomenal play, and we're ready to do it again when the time is right. But we don't have the signals just yet, okay? And that's all I have for this video, guys. We summarized everything. Moving average 50, exponential, 16 cents, daily candles only. All right? Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would truly appreciate it below the video. Also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explored the traditional stocks throughout the week. You can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Dollar cost averaging is preferred. This isn't financial advice, right? But I'd prefer you just kind of dollar cost averaging if you're new to investing. It's the least amount of, exposure when you're starting out, okay? Keep that positive energy flowing, guys. We'll talk soon. Let it flow within you. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.